Hi guys. Today we are unboxing Remo Hoby SMAX. Inside the box, we are going to see the manual. Included is another box containing the remote. It is 2.4 GHz. The remote can be switched as left-handed or right-handed. It takes 4 AA batteries. A pouch contains a balance charger. Now let's have a look at the car itself. As you can see, we have a metal drive shaft. Coil suspension is soft and bouncy. Okay, let's remove the pins and see what's inside. The shell looks good and robust. (1,500 milliamps) 2-cell lithium battery pack is already included. The brush TSC is integrated with the receiver. The brush motors have cooling fins installed. You can also upgrade oil-filled, high-capacity damping shocks for better traction. As we can see, the U-shape hinge pins hold the swing arms. For upgrade parts and support, see the link in the description down below. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing and giving a thumbs up if you like this video. Special thanks to Remo Hoby RC Philippines for sponsoring this video. Ciao.